You know how many women feel like finding genuine love after 40 is nearly impossible.
I think as young women, we are taught and conditioned to be caretakers, givers, doers. And so I think it's just learning through trial and error that we need to become the center of our own universe. We're the sun. A man's not my son, I am. Because when I start from that, the whole fill your own cup first, then I have enough to give others.
When you get divorced the first time, you blame your partner. When you get divorced the second time, you realize it's probably you. When you get divorced the third time, you know it's you.
Losing everything to gain it back in a better way, just it was worth it.
What would you say is the essential ingredient in your rich life recipe?
I would say
If you could go back and tell your newly divorced self one thing about creating a rich life, what would it be?